Welcome to 4-H. 4-H is a program designed for and by youth that involves fun, hands-on learning activities. These activities are parts of projects, which we sometimes call sparks. A spark is a passion, interest, or skill that gives you energy and purpose. When youth identify their spark, they are more likely to thrive.
The 4-H Spark Roadmap can help you discover and grow your sparks. Each project area invites you to try something new and develop your talents. Let's take a look at the 4-H Spark Roadmap.
The map uses questions to help you think about what interests you, inspires you, and what you want to try next. Let's follow the arrows to explore your project options with 4-H.
Do you love spending time outside? If you do, there are a few options.
Agriculture and animal science, environmental and outdoor education, or you might want to investigate plant and soil science. You can learn about vegetables, flowers, crops, soil, fairy gardens, and more.
But what if you want to explore other options? Let's go back to the start and follow the arrows to consider a different path.
What if you don't love spending time outside? Then you get to find out what you like to do indoors. Once again, you get to choose your adventure. Let's say, yes, you love creating delicious food, decorating your room, or working with younger children. You may want to try family, home, and health. Youth in this area enjoy things like babysitting, decorating, sewing, health, cooking, baking, and more.
You might be asking, now what?
When you know what you want to learn more about, visit the 4-H website to look for the 4-H project guide, resources, and opportunities to get involved. If you still have questions or are interested in volunteering with a project area, reach out to your local 4-H educator.